In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can easily change admin user account name on your Windows. So let's get started. So just go ahead in the Windows search bar and type control panel. Click on that under the best match. Yeah, now you need to view the control panel by category. So click on this drop down and choose category. And here you'll find user accounts. Click on that and click on user accounts. And you will find your admin user account. So here you'll find the option change the account name. Now let me show it to you. Okay. So once you find the change the account name, you just need to simply click on that. And just need to simply change this to the new user account name. So let me change this to tech user guides. Okay. And then you have to click on change name. And now if I'm going to go back to manage accounts, here it has been changed to tech user guides. But if in case this is not showing right here, then you have to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. And after you have restarted your Windows, and that will be changed into the new user account name that you have placed or you have assigned for your account. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.